When you're considering Internxt for your cloud storage, there are a few things you need to know before buying. While it promises secure, decentralized storage, it's crucial to look at how it stacks up against major players like Google Drive, Dropbox, and OneDrive. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll have a clear picture of whether Internxt is right for you, or if another service would be a better fit. So, first off, Internxt is all about privacy. Unlike Google Drive or Dropbox, which store your data on centralized servers, Internxt uses blockchain technology to ensure that no one, not even the company itself, has access to your files. Everything is encrypted and you control the keys. This approach gives you a level of security that traditional cloud providers just can't match. It's like owning your private cloud in the digital space. Next thing you'll want to know is how user-friendly the platform is. If you've used services like Google Drive or Dropbox, you're probably accustomed to their interfaces. Internxt doesn't disappoint here either. The dashboard is clean, intuitive, and easy to navigate, making it a strong contender for anyone switching from a more traditional provider. But what's really unique is the way it integrates file storage with decentralized architecture, making it seamless to store and share files, while also keeping everything private. Now, let's talk about speed. It's a common concern when shifting from centralized cloud storage to a decentralized system like Internxt. While you might see slightly slower upload speeds compared to big-name providers, the trade-off in privacy and control could be worth it for many users. If you're uploading huge files regularly, you might notice a difference, but for most everyday tasks, it won't be an issue. The fourth thing you should consider is pricing. Internxt offers a free tier with up to 10 GB of storage, but if you need more space, their paid plans are relatively competitive. When you compare it to the likes of Google Drive or Dropbox, which charge a premium for larger amounts of storage, Internxt's pricing is transparent and affordable, especially if you value the security features it offers. Next up, while Internxt is great for personal use, it's also a strong option for businesses. It's scalable, so if you're running a team and need to collaborate on projects, you can securely share files with no fear of unauthorized access. Plus, the blockchain technology adds a layer of accountability, ensuring all your data is safely stored. Now, let's touch on customer support. It's crucial when you're using a cloud storage service that help is available when you need it. Internxt's support is responsive and helpful, though it's not as extensive as what you'd get from major providers like Google or Dropbox. That said, the company's focus on decentralization means fewer customer service issues are likely to arise in the first place, since everything is designed to run smoothly without too much need for intervention. Finally, let's talk about the long-term viability of Internxt. The company is still relatively new compared to giants like Google Drive or OneDrive. However, it's showing promise with its commitment to transparency, security, and user control. Blockchain technology is still evolving, and it's exciting to see how Internxt is integrating it to build a future-proof platform. If they continue to innovate and grow, they could very well become a major player in the cloud storage space. So, there you have it. Internxt's mix of privacy, security, and scalability makes it a strong contender in the cloud storage market. If you want to try out Internxt for yourself, click the first link in the description below to get the best free trial and exclusive benefits. Trust me, you'll want to see how this platform stacks up in your daily life.